Hello everyone, my name is Khánh. I'm 6 years old. Today I talk about my school. It's Hanesta School. They are tree, they are green and brown. They are cloud, they are blue. It is the sun, it is the orange. It is the sky, it is the blue. It is a grass, it is a green. They are flowers, they are orange, blue, pink, and red. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.